So over here, you can see that I got some diagrams right here. And if I want to, let's say, for example, move some diagram right here, I can easily click and move them. But sometimes what you may want to do is you might want to lock out a particular diagram in a place so that it is not movable. So in that case, you can simply select out a diagram that you don't want to move and then go to edit and then click on lock right here. And now the diagram is locked, and even accidentally you won't be able to move it. You can go around and right click on a particular diagram and then lock it out from there as well. Or you can go around, click on a diagram right here, then go around over here onto, let's say, for example, on the arrange section and then lock it out from there as well. So once you do that, this diagram can be moved, but these three cannot be accidentally moved, as you can see right there. So now if I were to go around over here on this particular diagram, and if I want to unlock it, you can go around onto edit and select the unlock option from over here, or you can right click and unlock it from over here, or you can go to arrange section as you select out the diagram and click unlock over here just like this as well. So you can go around and unlock all of them out just like that. So that is how you can go around and lock and unlock out diagrams inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe